In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Excel file into Smartsheet. To get started, open Smartsheet and sign in if needed. Once you're in, go to the area where you want to begin, such as your home page or the workspace where you'd like the new sheet to live. Choosing the right location at the start helps keep your files organized, especially if you're working with multiple projects or sharing sheets with a team. From there, look for the Create option, or in some versions, the Import option. Click it to begin bringing your existing file into Smartsheet. When Smartsheet asks what kind of file you want to import, choose Microsoft Excel. This tells Smartsheet that you're uploading a spreadsheet and want it converted into a Smartsheet sheet. Next, browse your computer and select the Excel file you want to import. Once you choose the file, Smartsheet will begin processing it and converting the contents into its own format. Depending on the size of the workbook and the amount of data inside, this may take a few moments. After the file loads, take a close look at the imported columns and the data in each row. This is an important part of the process because it gives you a chance to confirm that everything came in correctly. In many cases, Smartsheet does a great job matching your Excel structure, but it's still worth reviewing things like dates, drop-down style information, numbers, and text fields to make sure they appear the way you expect. If needed, adjust the column types. For example, if a column contains dates but was imported as plain text, you can change that column so Smartsheet handles it properly. The same goes for checkboxes, contact fields, or number-based columns. Making these adjustments now will help the sheet function more accurately later, especially if you plan to sort, filter, automate, or report on the data. Once everything looks right, save the imported file as a new Smartsheet sheet. At this point, your Excel data is no longer just a spreadsheet from your computer. It becomes a live Smartsheet sheet that you can edit, share, and build on inside the platform. That's all it takes to import an Excel file into Smartsheet. If you review your data carefully and set the correct column types before saving, you'll give yourself a much smoother experience moving forward.